I really gotta edit this, guys. Malcolm from Marble Fox Studios again, here to give you your AMC update for the day. Within the news, they don't think there were any worthy mentions, so we'll just dive right into the technical analysis. So today's volume was at 213.98 million for the day, which altogether was less than yesterday. So for the past 3 days, we have been seeing less volume over time. Today's volume pivot was around $54. That is where most of AMC's trades occurred. Today we closed at $55.05, which is an increase of 0.09% from yesterday's close. Looking at the chart here, what we have is we have a potential new support trajectory that AMC is following. If it respects this trajectory, we can expect to see the price in the pre-market tomorrow to follow that up into the Thunderdome, where it's going to be heading to tomorrow morning if it follows the trend, because we have a major Fibonacci resistance and support levels right where right at open where it intersects the support line, and we are going to see. Likely, we always see their biggest amount of volume right at the beginning of the day. And so what I think is going to happen is that with all that volume that we're going to see, we're going to be able to push right through those really strong Fibonacci levels and break all the way through to the next one. And I think that we're just going to see upward consolidation for the rest of tomorrow. So that way we keep respecting this new trend line. The trend line, it likes to pull things up to it, but it also likes to pull things down to it as well. So think of it as a center of gravity there. But if we have a really, really good morning, if we see a crazy ton of volume on the bullish side of things, we'll probably see a breakthrough of the bull zone. There's another Fibonacci resistance level right here that it'll probably have a false breakout on. It'll consolidate under it. We'll probably see another rip. And then with that other rip, if it really rips, we could see it. I think we might be able to see a test of the all-time high that was established back here before we hit that and drop back down. We'll probably hit plenty of volume exhaustion at that point there, if that happens. Otherwise, we'll probably just consolidate in the lower end of the bull zone. However, we need to consider all possibilities, and so if the crazy amount of volume that we're going to see tomorrow morning ends up being more bearish, I think what is most likely in that scenario is that we'll break downwards. It will break through another major Fibonacci zone. Here, it'll have a false breakout, and then we'll probably see sideways consolidation for another day. That's what I think will happen, and then and then if that were to happen, this trend line right here, that would be broken, and we would fall back to a previous support trend that was established at the end of May. And we respected that when we had our big dip on Friday. If things do end up being really bad, though, we might see a breakdown out of that support trend and end up in the downward consolidation. But I think the absolute worst case scenario is that we break down halfway through the bear zone, and then we consolidate for the rest of the day and hopefully keep heading back up. That's what I think all the possibilities are. My main thesis that I think is going to happen tomorrow is that we are going to break upwards out of this pennant here, and we'll break through this Fibonacci level, and then we'll end an upward consolidation, and we'll just continue respecting this new trend that was established that was established on Friday in the aftermarket. So that's what I got for the video.